Hey guys, Peter with Horizon Trailers. This is the Gooseneck FTS partial tilt flat deck trailer with 8K axles. It comes with a GVWR of 17,900 pounds and a 20,000 pound hoist. It's a great trailer for hauling any type of equipment. It comes either in bumper pole or gooseneck, length of 28 feet and axle options of 7, 8 and 10K. A 36-inch deck height and a 102-inch deck width. Follow me as I go through all the features it has to offer. The trailer I'll be reviewing today is 28 foot long with 8K axles. Starting at the front, we have a 2/5/16 adjustable gooseneck coupler rated at 30,000 pounds, 3 8-inch grade 70 safety chains, a breakaway kit, and a 7-way all-weather wiring harness. We have 2 spring-loaded drop-leg jacks rated at 12,000 pounds, upgradable to hydraulic jacks. Here on the top, we have the spare tire mount with a optional spare tire. And between the tongue, it features a newly designed mega lockable toolbox where you can store straps, chains, tools, or whatever you use in your job, because there is a lot of space in it. The tongue is our newly designed neck boss made of a 10-inch engineered I-beam, making it not only durable but also nice looking, because you deserve a nice trailer. Behind the neck, it has standard a winch plate, and the winch is optional. Main frame is made of a 12-inch I-beam, 14 pounds per foot. The tilt deck frame is made of a 2x5-inch 11-gauge tubing with 3-inch channel cross members spaced at 16 inches apart. Pine lumber flooring for the deck, and on this side, a lockable toolbox for the batteries and pump. A 36-inch deck height and is easy accessible with these slide-in steps. For securing cargo, it has Stake ID pockets with rub rail and optional D-rings welded across the deck. Loading this trailer is super easy with the tilt deck. It has a 6x21-inch cylinder with a 20,000 pound hoist. It comes with a wireless remote, making it super easy to tilt the deck even from inside the equipment. When fully tilted, it sits at an 1842 angle. For the running gear, this FTS has 2 8K Lippert electric brake oil bath spring axles with Templite tires on 16-inch black mod wheels. At the rear, this FTS has the knife edge, great for loading low pro, nice big DOT compliant Technique LED lights, marker lights at the back and also along the side for extra visibility. And like all our other trailers, this trailer goes through a 6-step painting process, which includes tuber passing and a powder coat finish, making sure the paint is top quality and durable with 13 color options to choose from. We offer a 3-year structure and a 1-year component warranty, plus NATM certified gives you peace of mind that when you buy this FTS it will be top quality. If you'd like to find pricing or buy this trailer, we have a large network of dealers across the US and Canada. If you'd like to find a dealer near you, please visit our website horizontrailers.com/findadealer. I'll see you on the next one.